guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know a lot of you might be struggling with what to wear and how to style it during winter, and I also do get confused a lot with what to wear, especially during winters. So these are 3 looks which I can rely on, and I know that they will never fail and they will look really good. So I'm sharing it with you. I hope that you will like it.
So this is the first look, and here I'm wearing a maroon oversized sweater which is very bright and it makes you look very young, happy and cheerful. On the bottom I'm wearing a regular high waist jeans with a belt to make the look very clean and separated. Oh, I forgot to wear hoops. So here they are. These look really nice with my hair and with my dress. Also, I have tucked the sweater only from the front and left it untucked from the back because I like the way it looks. To add some accessory, I have added this animal print scarf which looks really nice and decent. Also, this look reminds me of Ross from Friends, as he would wear oversized sweaters which were very similar to this one. If you want to go out somewhere, you can carry this sling bag which is going very well with the maroon sweater. So this is the final look. And I really like the way it turned out. Okay, so here I am trying to be very classy and chic. That is so not me, but as we say, fake it till you make it. So yeah, just trying. So this is the second look which you can try during this winter season. Here I am wearing a turtleneck sweater with a skirt on the bottom. If you have to go to college, maybe after this pandemic, you can carry a bag like this as well. Also, you can carry a cute little sling bag which is kind of pastel pink in color like this one. For the hair, I have made bun because loose hair doesn't look good with turtleneck sweaters. To add some accessories, you can wear some silver jewelries on the top of your turtleneck. Trust me, it looks amazing. Since I didn't have any, so I couldn't, but you can surely give it a try. At last, for the footwear, if you have thigh-high boots, it looks really great. Also, you can wear normal sports shoes as well. So here is the final look. So this is the third and the last look. Here I am wearing a normal sweater on the top and a regular black pant on the bottom. Also, if it's too cold outside, you can wear a cute hat like this one. If you want, you can wear a scarf as well. I think this outfit is the simplest of all, and it is also giving me a very formal vibe. You can wear something like this on a regular basis, maybe if you're going out shopping or college. You can also carry a bag like this one. This is a backpack which is huge, so you can carry a lot of your stuff in this. Also, if you are going out with your friends, I guess you can carry a sling bag like this. This is the same sling bag that I used for the first outfit. It just completes the look. So yes, here's the final look.
So those were 3 looks, and I hope that you like this video, and if you do, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.